Germany. Let's go out there.
At the bar grip.
Celia!
Let's go. Come on, Cecilia, stand up.
But no, Cecilia's like good at girl.
Come on out there.
Go.
Do your work. Do your work. Good job, Cecilia! That's a Cheeto for the white. Let's go, Cecilia! Let's go out there!
Do it again!
Go.
Do your work!
For the guard.
Come on out there!
Go.
Get out! Come on,
Turn!
Cecilia, get out
Turn,
of it! Good
Cecilia!
job. There you go! There we go!
Choke.
Get it, choke!
Yes.
There! You got it! Keep going! Choke! Her! Come on! Get her!
Nice.
There!
Go.
Yeah! Yay! I'm not so nervous anymore.
That's a dislocated arm right there. No offense.
Good job out there!
He was like, get up, and I'm just
I'm
like,
telling you, that's
why are you telling Cecilia to get up?
Yeah, but Cecilia let go right when she let go. He said my taste, she let go.
Good job, Boogie.
No, she let go when the girl started tapping.
Yeah.
Exactly. So she didn't do anything wrong that time.
That was good. The girl tapped too.
Good job out there! Yeah!